everyone, it's Riley from Echidna Sewing here, and today I'm going to show you how to make these reusable produce bags. These bags are super easy and simple to make. They don't require a drawstring or a button. They can be made from old tea towels or cotton shirts that you have lying around the house. If you want to use a new fabric for these bags, I'd recommend a lightweight cotton or linen, as they're very breathable and are perfect for veggies and fruit. Here's what you're going to need. You'll need a tea towel or the fabric of your choice. You'll need clips, or you can use pins, sewing scissors, a measuring tape, an iron and an ironing board. You'll need a sewing machine. I'm using the Brother NV50S. You'll need some thread. I've got Resant in a color beige, and I'm using TNC's regular point needles. So let's get into it. So with your tea towel or your fabric of your choice, you want a rectangle that is between 20 to 25 centimeters wide, which is about 8 to 10 inches, and you want it to be about 55 to 60 centimeters in length, which is about 22 to 24 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure out. My tea towel itself is about 61 centimeters, and I'm gonna make it 55 centimeters. Now I could measure this on my cutting mat that I have down here, but some people may not have one, so I'm just using a tape measure today. All right, and I'm just going to measure 22 centimeters across for my bag today. I'm pretty good at cutting straight lines, but if you're not so confident with them, I'd recommend using some tailor's chalk or a washable pen to mark out your line before you cut. So you can see here I've left on 2 of my finished edges from the original tea towel. That means we're only going to have to do this side and this side. Firstly, I'm just going to iron my rectangle flat so it doesn't have any creases or anything in it. Now that we've ironed that flat, we're going to go ahead and fold over one of our raw edges about 1 centimeter, and you can press it flat with your iron. Once you've pressed that side down, you can go ahead and do your other raw edge. All right, and now we can get into sewing. First things first is we're going to sew a straight line all the way down the edge we've just ironed flat. Once you've done that side, you can go ahead and do the other seam. Make sure you cut off any excess threads because there is one still there. Now we're going to measure about 8 centimeters from the top of our bag. That's at that point and that point. And now we're going to fold the bottom of our bag up to those points. Make sure you're aligning the edges. Then we can take this top part and fold it straight down over the top. Now you can pin or clip these edges together. Alright, and now we're just going to sew a straight line down either side of your bag as close to the edge as possible. Don't forget to trim your excess threads. Again. And there is your finished reusable produce bag. Now please feel free to tag us on Instagram so we can see your creations as well. Happy sewing, and we'll see you next time.